I think I messed up. Big time. My business wasn't on Facebook. Can you believe it? Let's break it down and see why this is such a big deal. First up, everyone and their grandma is on Facebook. Literally. From teenagers to seniors, Facebook has become a universal platform. With over 2.8 billion users, it's like setting up shop in the busiest market in the world. Imagine having access to such a vast audience. Next, it's a fantastic way to build your brand. Your brand is your identity, and Facebook helps you showcase it to the world. Post updates, share photos, and create engaging content that resonates with your audience. Let your customers see the real you. Authenticity sells. People love to connect with brands that feel genuine and relatable. Third, it's a customer service powerhouse. Facebook allows you to interact with your customers in real time. Quick responses to messages and comments show you care. This level of engagement can significantly boost customer satisfaction. Happy customers mean repeat business. When customers feel valued, they are more likely to return and recommend your business to others. And let's talk about ads. Facebook ads are a game changer for businesses of all sizes. Facebook's ad platform lets you target your exact audience. You can tailor your ads based on demographics, interests, and behaviors. That's like fishing with a net instead of a spear. You cast a wide net and catch the right audience. Lastly, it's free. Yes, you heard that right. Setting up a page costs you nada. You can create a professional presence without spending a dime. Just your time and creativity. Invest in creating compelling content and watch your business grow. So, there you have it. The reasons are clear and compelling. Go ahead, get your business on Facebook today and watch it grow. Don't miss out on the incredible opportunities that await you on this platform. Now let's dive deeper into each of these points. First, the sheer number of users on Facebook is staggering. With over 2.8 billion active users, it's like having a storefront in the busiest market in the world. This means your potential reach is enormous. Imagine being able to connect with people from all walks of life, from different parts of the globe, all in one place. This global reach is unparalleled. No other platform offers such a vast and diverse audience. Whether you're a local business or a global brand, Facebook provides the perfect platform to reach your target audience. Next, let's talk about branding. Your brand is your identity, and Facebook allows you to showcase it to the world. By consistently posting updates, sharing photos, and creating engaging content, you can build a strong brand presence. This helps you stand out from the competition and makes your business more memorable. Authenticity is key. People love to connect with brands that feel genuine and relatable. By sharing behind-the-scenes content, customer stories, and real-life experiences, you can create a deeper connection with your audience. This level of engagement builds trust and loyalty, which are essential for long-term success. Now, let's talk about customer service. Facebook allows you to interact with your customers in real time. This means you can address their concerns, answer their questions, and provide support instantly. Quick responses to messages and comments show that you care about your customers and value their feedback. This level of engagement can significantly boost customer satisfaction and loyalty. Happy customers are more likely to return and recommend your business to others. And let's not forget about the power of Facebook ads. Facebook's ad platform allows you to target your exact audience. You can tailor your ads based on demographics, interests, and behaviors, ensuring that your message reaches the right people. This level of precision is like fishing with a net instead of a spear. You cast a wide net and catch the right audience, maximizing your ad spend and increasing your chances of success. Lastly, setting up a Facebook page is free. Yes, you heard that right. You can create a professional presence without spending a dime. All it takes is your time and creativity. By investing in creating compelling content, you can attract and engage your audience, driving growth for your business. So, what are you waiting for? Get your business on Facebook today and start reaping the benefits. The opportunities are endless, and the potential for growth is immense. Don't miss out on this incredible platform. Remember, the key to success on Facebook is consistency. Keep posting, keep engaging, and keep building your brand. With time and effort, you'll see your business grow and thrive on this powerful platform. So, go ahead, take the plunge, and watch your business soar on Facebook. The future is bright, and the possibilities are endless. Good luck. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on growing your business. See you next time. Go ahead, get your business on Facebook today and watch it grow. Don't miss out on the incredible opportunities that await you on this platform.